Welcome back to day 79, Authenticity Connections for Future Customers. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We're getting closer to that finish line. I can feel the momentum building. And today I want to remind you of something powerful. Your future customers are out there right now searching for exactly what you carry. They're looking for someone who understands them, someone who speaks their language, and that someone, it can be you. So many people hold back because they think their voice isn't big enough or polished enough. But let me tell you something, that might change. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with real people who understand their struggles. And when you show up as that real self, the flaws and all, that's when the magic happens, my friends. Your story, your experience, your journey, that's what attracts the ideal audience. It's not about having all the answers or being the most polished presenter. It's about being genuine and willing to share what you've learned. And that's what creates real connection. Your unique perspective is something that no one else can replicate. Think about this for a moment. Someone is praying for that solution that you're learning right now. Someone is tired, they're frustrated, and they're overwhelmed. And your message could be that breakthrough that they need. Maybe they've tried another approach and nothing has worked. And then they find you and something just clicks. The way you break it down, the examples that you use, the compassion in your voice, it all comes together in a moment of clarity for them. And that's divine alignment. Someone is waiting for that voice that sounds like theirs. They want to hear from someone who's walked similar paths and found their way through. They're not looking for the guru on the pedestal. They're looking for a guy who understands the journey because they've been on it too. Someone who can say, I know this is hard, and here's what helped me, rather than just do this. It's easy. The vulnerability creates trust in a way that perfection never can. You don't need to be the loudest voice in the room. You just need to be the one willing to speak. You don't need millions of followers or a perfectly polished brand. You just need to show up authentically and share what's in your heart. That's enough. Your people are looking for connection, not perfection. They're looking for someone real, and that's exactly what you are. Today, I want you to think deeply about your perfect customer. What are they struggling with right now? What keeps them up at night? Maybe they're overwhelmed by information overload, feeling isolated or exhausted from trying things that they haven't worked. Understanding their frustrations and their desires is the key to creating your message that truly resonates with them. What would make them feel seen, heard, or understood? Use today's worksheet to write out 3 things your future customer needs to hear from you. Think about what would have helped you when you were in their shoes. Write from the heart. Let your compassion guide your words. Once you've written those 3 messages, take action. Turn one into a short 30 to 45-second video. Speak from your heart. You can record it on your phone right where you are. Maybe you share a quick tip. Maybe you share words of encouragement. But remember, connection beats perfection every time. Just press that record and speak the truth. So here's what I want you to remember today. You are someone's answered prayer. Right now, someone is hoping for exactly what you have to offer. Your voice matters more than you know. Don't let fear or self-doubt rob the world of your gifts. Someone needs what you have right now today, exactly as you are. Your message doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. It just has to be real. So drop a comment telling me one thing your future customer needs to hear from you today. And make sure you grab your day 79 worksheet. You're doing amazing work, and I am so, so proud of you and how far you've come. Keep moving forward with confidence, because guess what, friends? Most people have already quit by now. I will see you tomorrow for day 80.